हम लोगों का अगला यूनिट है यूनिट 8 आई एम डूइंग, जिसको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस बोलते हैं। एंड जब आई डू हो तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल होता है। तो जैसे इसमें लिखा है कि आई जैक इज़ वाचिंग टेलीविज़न, ही इज़ नॉट प्लेइंग द गिटार, बट जैक हैज़ ए गिटार, he often play and he play very well. Jack play a guitar, but he is not playing the guitar now. Is not playing और यहाँ plays. Is he playing the guitar? No, he isn't. Present continuous. Present continuous होता है. Is he playing guitar? No, he isn't. Present continuous. Is he playing guitar? No, he isn't. Does he play the guitar? Does he play the guitar? Does he play the guitar? Yes, he does. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस आई एम डूइंग जब लगा हो तो नाउ एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग। कंटिन्यूस क्या होता है? एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग। पास्ट, नाउ और फ्यूचर। कंटिन्यूस में यहाँ पर नाउ पर बात होती है, बात नाउ पर होती है। जैसे प्लीज़ बी क्वाइट, आई एम वर्किंग, नॉट वर्क। प्लीज़ बी क्वाइट, प्लीज़ बी क्वाइट, आई एम वर्किंग। प्लीज़ बी क्वाइट, आई एम वर्किंग। टॉम इज़ हैविंग अ शॉवर एट द मोमेंट, नॉट टॉम हैज़। टॉम इज़ हैविंग अ शॉवर, Tom is having a shower at the moment. Tom is having a shower at this moment. At the moment. Tom is having a shower at the moment. Tom is having a shower at the moment. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining, Barry. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. You can turn off the television. You can turn off the television. I am not watching it. You can turn off the television. You can turn off the television. I am not watching it. You can turn off the television. You can turn off the television. I am not watching it. You can turn off the television. I am not watching. Why are you under the table? Why are you under the table? What are you doing? Why are you under the table? 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 What are you doing? Why are you under the table? What are you? अब ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आई डू, ये भी कंटिन्यू प्रेजेंट में ही रहता है। तो आई वर्क एवरी डे फ्रॉम 9 to 5:30। आई वर्क एवरी डे। आई वर्क एवरी डे फ्रॉम 9 to I work every day from 9 to 5:30 every day. Tom has a shower every morning. 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 It's rain a lot in winter. It's rain a lot in winter. It's rain a lot in winter. I don't watch television very often. I don't watch television very often. I don't watch television very often. We do not use the verb in the present continuous. I am ing. We do not use verb in the present continuous. Like, love, want, know, understand, remember, depend, prefer, hate, need, mean, believe, forgot. Use only the present simple with this verb. Use only present simple with this verb. Use only present क्या क्या कह रहा है कि यूज़ ओनली प्रेजेंट सिंपल विद दिस वर्ब। ये जो ऊपर ये जो वर्ब लिखा हुआ है, ये जो वर्ब लिखा हुआ है, इनके साथ सिर्फ आप जो है कि सिंपल वाला ही सिंपल प्रेजेंट ही आप इनको इनके साथ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जैसे यू, यहाँ देखिए जो ये जो लिखा हुआ है ना नियम, ये कह रहा है कि यूज़ ओनली द प्रेजेंट सिंपल विद दिस वर्ब वांट या डू यू लाइक इट। जैसे लाइक हो गया, लव हो गया, वांट हो गया, वांटिंग नहीं, वांट हो गया, नो हो गया, अंडरस्टैंड हो गया, रिमेंबर हो गया, डिपेंड हो गया, प्रेफर हो गया, हेट हो गया, नीड हो गया, मीन हो गया, बिलीव हो गया, फॉरगॉट हो गया। तो ये जो है कि इसका जो प्रेजेंट में कोई बात करते हैं तो इसको हम जो है प्रेजेंट सिंपल में ही लिखते हैं, प्रेजेंट सिंपल। लाइक, लव, वांट, नो, अंडरस्टैंड, रिमेंबर, डिपेंड, प्रेफर, हेट, नीड, मीन, बिलीव, फॉरगॉट। जैसे आई एम टायर्ड, आई वांट टू गो होम, आई एम नॉट, ये नहीं होगा कि आई एम नॉट वांटिंग। डू यू नो दैट गर्ल, डू यू नो दैट गर्ल, डू यू नो दैट गर्ल, यस बट आई डोंट रिमेंबर हर name, yes but I don't remember her name, yes but I don't remember her name. I don't understand what do you mean, I don't understand what do you mean, I don't understand what do you mean. I am a photographer. Does he take photographer? Yes he does. Does he take photograph? Yes he does. Answer the question about the picture. I am a photographer. Okay, does he take the photograph? Yes he does. Is he taking a photograph? No, he isn't. What he is doing? He is having a bath. He is having a bath. He is having a bath. I am bus driver. Is she driving a is she driving a bus? Yes, he does. Yes, he is. Does she drive a bus? Yes, he is. Yes, he does. What she is doing? She is driving a bus. She is driving a bus. I am a window cleaner. Does he clean window? Yes, he does. Is he cleaning a window? Yes, he is. What he is doing? He is cleaning a window. Are they teaching? Yes, they are. Do they teach? Yes, they do. What do they do? They are teaching. बाकी इसको हम पूरा करेंगे। अब हम अगला देखते हैं जिसमें है आई हैव एंड आई हैव नॉट, यूनिट 9। you can say I have या I have got, he has या he has got। आई वी यू दे के साथ हैव होगा, 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 ही शी इट के साथ हैज होगा, ही शी इट के साथ हैज होगा। आई वांट या यू वांट, आई हैव टू गो, वी हैव टू गो, यू हैव टू गो, दे हैव टू गो, ही हैज, शी हैज, इट हैज़। और ऐसे रहेगा आई हैव गॉट, वी हैव गॉट, यू हैव गॉट, दे हैव गॉट, शी हैज़ गॉट, He has got. Have got. Have got. अच्छा, I have and have got. हैव और हैज़ रहेगा. आई वी यू दे के साथ हैव होगा. वी विल यूज़ आई वी यू दे हैव एंड शी नहीं ही शी इट with has, or I have got. I we you they have got and he she it has got. ओ आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. आई हैव ब्लू आइज. आई हैव गॉट ब्लू आइज. टीम हैज़ टू सिस्टर. टीम हैज़ गॉट टू सिस्टर. टीम हैज़ गॉट टू सिस्टर. Our car has four door. Our car has four door. Our car has four. Our car has got four door. Saurav isn't feeling well. Saurav, see, अच्छा, Sarah isn't feeling well. Sarah isn't feeling well. She has a headache. She has a headache. Or she got a headache. Or she got a headache. They like animal. They have a horse, 3 dog and 6 cat. They have got horse. They have got horse, 3 dogs and 6 cats. I have not got. You have. You got. आई वी यू दे के साथ हैव नॉट होगा. आई वी यू दे के साथ हैव नॉट होगा. वही है. उसके साथ यदि नॉट निगेटिव बनाना हो तो, या क्वेश्चन बनाना हो तो हैव पहले आ जाता है, फिर जो है हैज़ जो है वो पहले आ जाता है. गॉट गॉट ही रहेगा. यस आई हैव. यस आई हैव. यस आई हैव नॉट. यस यू. नो यू डोंट. नो दे डोंट. ये इसी तरीके से रहेगा. मतलब पूरा वही नियम. आई हैव गॉट ए मोटर बाइक. आई हैव गॉट ए मोटर बाइक बट आई हैवेंट गॉट. बट आई हैवंट गॉट कार. आई हैवेंट गॉट ए कार. Tracy and Jeff have not got any children. Tracy and Jeff have not got any children. Tracy and Jeff have not got any children. Tracy and Jeff. Tracy and Jeff have not got any children. It is nice house. It is nice house, but it is not. It is not got a garden. But it is not got a garden. But it is not got a garden. Have you got a camera? Have you got a camera? Have you got a camera? No, I have not. No, I have not. What you have got in your bag? 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 Bag. Nothing. It's empty. Nothing. It's empty. Has Helen got a car? Has Helen got a car? Yes, she has. Yes, she has. What kind of car she got? What kind of car she got? What kind of car she got? I don't have. Yeah, do you have? etc. इस टाइप के यदि रहे तो. In negative and question you can also use do or does. They don't have any children. They don't have any children. They haven't got any children. They have not got. They haven't got any children. They haven't got any children. It is nice house, but it doesn't have a garden. But it doesn't have a garden. It has got a garden. It hasn't got a garden. It has not got a garden. Does Helen have a car? Does Helen have a car? Do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag? Exercise. Write the short for we have got and he has not got. We have got, we have a, we have got, he has got. शॉर्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा. He has not got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got. Read the question and answer. Then write the sentence about the mark. Have you got a car? No, I am not. Have you got a computer? Yes, I have. Have you got a dog? No, I have. I don't. I don't got. No, sorry. Have you got a dog? No, I don't have got a dog. Have you got a mobile phone? No, I don't have got. Have you got a watch? Yes, I have got a watch. Have you got any brothers or sister? Yes, two brother and a sister. इसको हम लोग ओवर द पीरियड कंप्लीट करेंगे जब हम लोग इसको पढ़ लेंगे. तो क्लियर कर देता हूँ कि मेरा टारगेट आधा घंटा डेली इंग्लिश बोलने का है. तो इसका नो मैटर ये कैसी वीडियो बन रही है, मेरा बस टारगेट है इंग्लिश तैयार करना अपना और अपना तैयार करना. नाउ रॉबर्ट इज़ एट वर्क. नाउ रॉबर्ट इज़ एट वर्क. At midnight last night he was not at work. He was in bed. He was asleep. Am is present ho was past ho. I am tired. I am tired now. Where is Kate now? The weather is good today. Present. I was tired last night. Where was he yesterday? Where was good last week? Weather was good last week. Am present, are present, were past में होगा, was past में. Oh, is am is present and was is past. Are present, were past. जैसे आई एम टायर्ड तो ये करंट की बात हो रही है. वेयर इज केट करंट की बात हो रही है. द वेदर इज गुड टूडे. आई वॉज टायर्ड लास्ट नाइट. वेयर वॉज द केट यस्टरडे. द वेदर वॉज गुड लास्ट वीक. आर प्रेजेंट, वर पास्ट. आर यू लेट नाउ. You were late yesterday. You were late. They are not here. They are not here. They are not here. They are not here. ये करंट सिचुएशन में जब करंट को कोई सवाल पूछता है तो they are not here. 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 पॉजिटिव. आई, ही, शी, इट के साथ वाज होगा. आई, शी, ही, इट के साथ इट विल. नेगेटिव फिर वही होगा. ही वॉज नॉट, ही वॉजंट, शी वॉजंट. आई, ही, शी. अच्छा अब यहाँ बदल गया है. ही, शी, इट के साथ वाज होगा और उसके साथ आई भी लगेगा. यू देवी के साथ वर लगेगा. यू देवी के साथ वर लगेगा. उसके बाद इसमें निगेटिव हो तो निगेटिव हो जाएगा और नॉट लग जाएगा और क्वेश्चन मार्क हो तो वो पहले आ जाएगा. वाज इट, वाज ही, वाज सी, वाज इट. वी, यू, दे, यू, we you, they you, we were, you were, they were. आई एंड ही शी इट के साथ वाज होगा, आई एंड ही शी इट के साथ वाज होगा, यू दे वी के साथ वर होगा. लास्ट ईयर रिचल was 22, so she is 23 now. Last year Rachel was 22, so she is 23 now. When I was a child, I was afraid of dog. When I was a child, I was afraid of a dog. We were hungry after the journey, but we were not tired. We were hungry after the journey. We were hungry after the journey, but we weren't tired. We were hungry after the journey, but we were not tired. The hotel was comfortable, but it was not expensive. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. Yes, I, he, she, it was. Yes, he is. He was. Yes, he was. Yes, I was. Yes, he was. Yes, it was. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. Yes, we were. Yes, they were. No, I was not. No, I wasn't. No, he wasn't. No, she wasn't. No, it wasn't. No, no, you weren't. No, they weren't. No, we weren't. No, they weren't. Were you late? Were you late? Were you late? Were you late? No, I was not. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Was did work yesterday? Yes, he was. Was did yesterday? Yes, he was. Were Sue and Steve at the party? No, they were not. Exercise. Where were these people at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon? Gray was in bed. Gray was in bed. Jack and Kate watching television. Were watching television. Shoe. Work got went, etc. Past simple. Work got went, etc. Past simple. They watch और they watch television. They watch television every night. खैर इसको हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे, अभी ऊपर वाले का एक्सरसाइज का ही कर लेते हैं, आज बहुत टाइम अभी. राइट, एम इज आर प्रेजेंट सिंपल, आर वाज वर पास्ट सिंपल. ठीक है. लास्ट ईयर शी was 22, so she is 23 now. Today the weather is nice. but yesterday it was very cold. I am hungry. Can I have something to eat? Can I have something to eat? I feeling I feel fine this morning. I feel fine this morning, but I was very tired last night. I was very tired last night. Where were you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Where were you? Where were you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Don't buy these shoes. Don't buy these shoes. They were very expensive. They are very expensive. I like your new jacket. Is it very expensive? Is it expensive? Is it expensive? This time last year I was in Paris. Where are the children? I don't know. They were here. They were here a few minutes ago. Right was where, I wasn't where. We was not happy with the hotel. Our room was very small and it was not clean. It wasn't clean. Mark was at work last week because she अच्छा Mark was not at work last week because she was ill. He is better now. He is better now. Yesterday Yesterday was a public holiday. Yesterday was a public holiday. So the bank were closed. They are open today. Were Kate and Bill at the party? 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 Kate was there, but Bill was not there. Kate was there, but Bill was not there. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? I don't know. Where are my keys? I don't know. Where are my keys? I don't know. They were on the table, but they are not. They were. They were. You were at the home last night. Where were you? तो वो इसको यहीं रहने देते हैं. इसका ये सवाल क्या है? Why were you late this morning? अच्छा सही करना है. The traffic was bad. Your exam. अच्छा why. अच्छा इसके साथ जो है your exam was difficult. Your exam was difficult. No, your exam was difficult. Your exam was difficult. अच्छा shoe and chairs were shoe and chairs were last week. Shoe and chairs Chris where were last week. Where were last week. How much was your new camera? How much was your new camera? How much was your new camera? 60 pound. How much was your new camera? 60 pound. Why were you angry yesterday? Why were you angry yesterday? Because you were late. Is nay. Was the weather was last? Was the weather was nice? Is the weather was nice last week? Yes, it was. तो आज हम इसी यूनिट तक रहने देते हैं, कल हम अगली से देखेंगे.